Restoring coin collections is an art form. In this video, we will explore safe and effective methods to discover the hidden beauty beneath the grime on your old silver and copper coins. Always prioritize safety when cleaning coins. Never use harsh chemicals or abrasive materials, as these can permanently damage the delicate surface of your coins. For general dirt, use gentle soap and water. Soak your coins in a warm, soapy solution, then lightly scrub them with a soft toothbrush to remove accumulated grime. Silver coins can tarnish easily. A simple and effective method is to create a paste using baking soda and water, then gently rub it over the coin in circular motions. To address oxidation on copper coins, a vinegar and salt bath works well. Briefly dip the coin into this mixture and wipe it clean with a soft cloth. Corroded coins may require special attention. You can use an acidic soak made of distilled water and lemon juice, then gently scrub the coin to remove the corrosion. Avoid using soda, like Coca-Cola, on valuable coins. While it may clean common coins, the high acidity can cause significant damage to the surfaces of rare pieces. Refer to this matrix to match the condition of your coin with the best cleaning solution and the safest tool to use for the job. After cleaning, always rinse each coin thoroughly to remove any remaining chemical residue, then pat it dry completely to prevent future oxidation. Every coin has unique traits, so tailor your approach to the specific metal. With these steps, you can keep your historical collection shining bright. Happy collecting!